It's not about what you leave to your children that matters. It's what you leave inside them that counts. As parents, we often focus on leaving behind material wealth for our kids' future. There is a thought that can revolutionize the way we approach parenting. It's not about what you leave to your children that matters. It's what you leave inside them that counts. We live in a rapidly evolving world where financial literacy has become an essential life skill. Just like reading, writing, and arithmetics, understanding money matters. It's crucial for our children's success and well-being. By equipping them with financial knowledge, we are empowering them to take control of their own destiny. Imagine a future where every child grows up with the confidence and knowledge to navigate the complex financial world. A future where they can make informed decisions, plan for their dreams, and avoid the pitfalls that often trap the financially uninformed. By investing in our children's financial education, we are setting them up for a lifetime of opportunity. Financial education is not a luxury. It's a necessity. By teaching our children about budgeting, saving, investing, and responsible borrowing, we are preparing them to build a solid financial foundation. It's time to break the cycle of financial illiteracy and create a generation of savvy money managers. Knowledge is the key to unlock the doors of opportunity. As parents, let's commit to becoming the architects of our children's financial future. Together, we can ensure they have the tools to thrive, grow, and create a legacy of their own. Let's make financial education a priority in every household. Join the movement. Share this post. Tag fellow parents who believe in the power of financial education. Let's create a viral wave of change and secure a brighter tomorrow for our children. Together, we can make a difference.